Animal, here could only more have about today for freedom to call. And when you buy a church, what's a sabo, only you will not.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader Maaz Nnamdi Kanu. But I want to use this medium to thank God that we all have entered 2026 and God will continue to bless us. So just this, the main reason why I bring this particular video here is what our Biafran Liberation Army said concerning Igbo people in this particular video. They say that if you are not Sabo, you can come back to village, but if you are a Sabo, you are against Biafran agitation or you are against Biafrans, you should not come home because they will deal with you. So just take on your time and watch this particular video. As you watch this video, do not forget to share so that other Biafrans who are Sabos can be able to watch this particular video before they do their mistake and come back. So stay tuned and watch this video and don't forget to share. One love.
Animal, here could only more have about today for freedom to call. And when you buy a church, what's a sabo, only you will not. I want to be more here. Also, you never live by over 2 years now. More than. No papa, no mama. So you want him and one eye or force. Yeah, but I never negative. I need the guy that's rumble. I need the guy you I know doing that on him more here. Rumors are on him more here. So I won't do she. I never kidnapping. I'm on Imo State. That will do. I will money house. I will money for that. As I was Nigerian army 2013. I put a matter over that. So Ghana can't take attack. I can't measure over that. So some again million. Three can never make a forest. They can already. And when I get them, open him one. But Biafra to come. And Biafra will stand.
This is Nigerian market. And I don't know that. Biafra were there. And without Biafra, we had a program.
I have war offer. I need you that one year. I
don't Daniel for
our local bomb.
Our local bomb, Biafra bomb. Yeah. Boss, you took. Why I had a good year. So not going back. Thank you, my brother.
I will always use this word. It can only get better when it have gotten to the highest worst level. These names I'm going to list now, these are the names of the people in the watch list of government of the United States of America. This list is from the office of Mazi Chinedu Donald J. Trump from White House. So listen very attentively. Your senior brother, your auntie, your uncle, that your bestie or that your role model might find him or herself in that list. You can never tell. But I want you to just pay your utmost attention. This is the last video of 2025. Wonderful people, I greet you all from the depth of my heart. Please do not say I talk too much and I should go straight to the point. I am going to mention the names in the watch list of the President of the United States of America. At any moment from now, they are being watched, they are being tracked, and two hands might become them one. But before then, let me use this opportunity to say a better and greatest and wonderful thank you to you listening to me, to you watching me, to you that always put, no matter how small it is, you must have a data to watch me. My brother, with my two hands, I bless you today. People must surely watch you. And they will watch you in good, not in bad situation. People must surely answer you whenever you call them for help. My prayer to you is that 2026, my brother, unless there is no God. But if there is, my brother, 2026, God is going to flog you with blessings. In fact, that's what they call unmeritable favor, unquantifiable favor. Favor that when it hits you, my brother, you will fall down first and stand up, fall again and stand up, fall and stand up and say, God, are you doing this? That is my prayer for all of you, for watching me throughout the whole of 2025 from January till this time, and you are still intact, watching me, my brother, you will never lack. That is my prayer for you. You will never, in fact, God is going to embarrass you with blessings. 2026 is your year. This is the last video of 2025. See you again in 2026. Happy New Year to all my wonderful fans in Facebook, in TikTok, and also on YouTube and every other platform you are hearing me. May my God, I repeat again, may my God bless you. It shall be well with you. Here are the names, but please, if you never subscribe, 2025 is rounding up, my brother. Rush now to subscribe so that you will get updates each time we post anything or we publish anything new on our channel or on our pages. So please follow us on all our social media handles. And as you follow us, my brother, I swear your village people will never follow you into 2026. Let's go there. Okay, names of the Northern Zoo. That is Northern politicians that are in that watch list. After that, then I will come down to my own state, which is the Biafra land, the southeast. Your brother might be there, you can never tell. But let's hear their names. Number one in their list there is Shetima, Kashim Shetima from Borno, former governor of Borno State for 8 years, and the current vice president of the Republic of the Zoo, and also a senator for that matter. These people are, in fact, they are already in a hospital. Forget, anytime your name found, they find your name in the watch list. My brother, there's nothing they can tell me. They are not watching you again. They have already watched you. They have already watched. In fact, they don't get tired of watching you before they put your name in the watch list. So whatever they have been done now is just ceremonial. They are in hot soup. These people, I'm telling you. Forget about that English they use. They are in watch list. There's nothing like watch. They don't watch them finish. Get all the whole evidence they want to track them down before they put their name there. So forget about whatever. No, they are not watching them now because they know now their names are out. Then they begin to curtail themselves, their movement. No, you have been watched. Every of your documents, right from the day you enter government or house, or maybe right from the day you enter politics till today, they have every data. Number two is the Sultan of Sokoto, the head of the Islamic jihadist terrorist in the north or in the whole of Nigeria. That is the number two in our list. Number three is Sheikh Ahmed Gumi, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because Tinubu is just a caretaker. This is the man who will tell you what happens, who will tell you how to handle the bandits, who will tell you that the bandits also, they need good life. They even tell you that bandits sometimes they need woman so that they're going to do migrement. Hey, God have mercy. That is a country. There was a country. In fact, there is nothing a country said. There's nothing like a country before. The heroes past, the one that they are singing in their national anthem or whatever, they made it clear that what Nigeria, just like as I was saying, you get the point now. Nigeria is mere a geographical expression. I think Awolowo is the guy that made that comment. One of the old heroes, criminals past. So Nigeria is not a country. You can imagine. So Shegumi is the one who says what happened. Who tell you how to handle the terrorists. Who tell you that the terrorists are doing business. That before they used to kill, but now they are only kidnapping small children. That is number 3 in their list. Then we have number 4. Sani Yerima, former governor of Zamfara State, found himself to become number 4 in that watch list. Number 5 is former governor of Zamfara State, Bello Metawale, who is now the current Minister of Defense for state. Terrorist sympathizers, sponsors, they are dining with them. They are the one that is handling your security architecture, and you tell me you are going to succeed in fight against terrorism or against bandits or against insecurity. You are joking. Number what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 is Ali Modu Sharif, the former governor of Borno State, is also in the list. Number 7 is Sheikh Yahaya Jingiri. It's a Plateau Fulani Sheikh. He found himself in that list as well. We have Governor Nasir El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna State, is also in the list. We have Isa Pantami, which is the communication, or rather Minister of Communication under Buhari's regime, is also on that list. Then we have Tuku Buratai, former chief of army staff of the zoo, the one who invaded Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's compound in a plan to buy the guy, but the guy escaped by whiskers. Also find himself in that regard. Go and listen to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's assertions, all his broadcast. If Mazen Nnamdi Kanu calls you, your own is gone. All these people, my brother, go and find Nnamdi Kanu's videos of 2016 to 17. No, sorry, 2015 before he was arrested. Then after he was released, 2017 to 18. He mentioned all their names and tell you that God is going to punish them one after the other. Okay, come down to the southeast, the Biafra land. Here are the names of also the ones who are terrorist sympathizers and also sponsors. We have somebody like our great-grandfather, and the Semi Amadioha, Ato Eze Nubo. He found himself in that list. He is the one who is building a secret ranch for Fulanis in Anambra State. Secret ranch. Secret ranch. This guy is building it for Fulani who is killing people, who they are pursuing from different states. He want to welcome them. So, good for him. Good job, America. And we have Rochas Okorocha. This one is also one of their sympathizers. We have Hopeless Udodunjo, the current governor of Imo State, also one of their sympathizers. We have Chimaroke Namani. He also found himself in that list. And we have David Umaye also in that list. But this list cannot be completed if somebody like Nyesom Wike will not be found there for the murdering and the genocide he committed against the Biafrans in Obibo in 2020 October precisely, NSAS protest. Yes. And this list will not also be completed if somebody like this old fool in Abia State, Ojuzo Kalo, is not in this list, because Ojuzo Kalo sold Lokupanta to Fulanis that use that place to become a den of killing our people, murdering them, collecting ransom, and also harvesting their organs. So this guy, in fact, I include his name there. Donald J. Trump, you are hearing my voice. Donald Chinedu J. Trump, Mazekeo, you are hearing my voice. Include these people I called. Include them. Nyesom Wike and also Ojuzo Kalo, include them on that list. They are part of the problem. They are the sponsors of insecurity in the southeast. And our God must surely punish them. Anyway, my wonderful people, let us just dissect the comment section because oh God, somebody, one Hausa Fulani idiot, he commented, said the main Southern sponsored allegedly Nnamdi Kanu, Tunumbu, Wike, governor of Lagos State, Akpabio, etc. And people replied to him. One guy when they called Richard said, Yamburo Uba Izala Tisaka. Oh, Chimo. My Hausa they speak here. Me, I know they hear Hausa. I live there, but I don't forget all my Hausa. They say, my dear, if they have hands in this, it must surely revealed by those allegedly, those already mentioned with evidence. No worries, okay? We are coming. Ayuba said to Fidelity, said, Bam, I am not here to defend any northern leaders too, but I just want to remind you, everywhere in Nigeria, there is good and also there is bad leader, so calm down. Baby, calm down. Uyinta Afara said, who is Christian among them? My brother has known. But it's Sajeri Amuda. May God Almighty deliver them to us. Okay, God will deliver them to the U.S. government. Omar Adewo said, I have not seen a Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's name on the list. Abi? Okay, now no problem. And Nicholson said, I have not seen your name on the list as well. Almajiri Nama. See Atoro. David said, how I take manage country with these people? Ale, if you read comment here, call me, Honey said, and nothing American government can do. China just said that my Hausa brothers have suffered so much for their kindness. May God Almighty guide them and save them from these animals. Murik is missing on this list. Naturally, Murik and also McBain and also Miyechi Allah. But then Miyechi Allah is a different problem for a different day for the Northerners, because America they want to prescribe that organization as the highest terrorist organization they have in Nigeria, which is banning of Hizbah and what do you call it? Disbanding of Sharia law. Anyway, my people, now here we go take back break. See you again in 2026. It shall be well with you. My God will surely bless you, my people. Have a nice day. Happy New Year. It shall be well with us. 2026. It shall be well with us.